What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for taking the time to tune in to watch the video. I had a chance to get out on the creek yesterday with a buddy of mine, Dennis, and we did a float trip, probably about 7 or 8 mile float trip. Had a good day on a local creek here near the house, and caught a lot of fish. Had great weather, stayed cloudy all day. Had a little rain, a little drizzle, but nothing too much. Weather-wise, it was perfect. Nice and cool, and felt great. But we got out there and caught a lot of fish, spots and largemouths, and a lot of small ones. But we did catch a few big ones, and all in all, it was just a great day on the creek. A great day to do a float trip, and had a great time. If this is your first time here, I'm Brian. You're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, without further ado, enjoy the video. There he is, guys. First fish of the morning, little spotted bass, little bitty thing. On the buzz bait. There, he ain't no big, little size too. Little red eye bass. Using about 2 inches of water. There's a good hit. I missed him. A little better fish. Well, he ain't that big. About 12 inches. Could be spot. On the Super Spook Junior. Got his brother, I believe. It's a largemouth. About 12-inch largemouth. About a 12-inch largemouth. There's a little largemouth, guys, on the buzz bait. Tied on that Super Spook Junior, had a couple small fish hit it. This one's not much bigger, but I think I can get them to hit this, so I'm gonna stick with this buzz bait for a while. Probably a buzz bait and spinner bait. Just a white Booyah buzz bait. Got a trailer hook on it. White skirt. Little red eye, guys. Beautiful little fish. Got him on spinner bait. There he is. That's a good one there now. I'll never get him in. God, well, he's a big one. Oh yeah, nice in there, bud. That's a good fish. Oh my God. Nice largemouth on a spinner bait. Seen something swirl at a minnow or a bug or something. As soon as I threw it over and it hit the water, he swirled on it. Didn't think I was gonna get him in. He had me wrapped up in a log. About 4 pounds probably. Good fish, biggest one of the day. whopper plopper, guys. About the third throw. Little old spotted bass. It's that white whopper plopper. 110. I'm on the whopper plopper. Spotted bass. Hammered it. Red-eye bass. And spinnerbait. There he is. little better one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a chunky spot right there. Got some weight on him. Got him on a spinnerbait. All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, we caught a pretty good amount of fish and a few good fish. A lot of small ones, a lot of numbers, but also a few quality fish. Fall was a great time to get out on the small creeks. You can catch numbers and some bigger fish. So caught most of them on a spinnerbait. Did catch a few on a buzz bait and whopper plopper. And but spinnerbait was the main bait that caught most of them. But that's gonna do it, guys. I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers for joining the channel. Really means a lot to me. That's gonna do it. We'll catch you next time.